channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Nicole. Welcome. I hope you stick around and enjoy some more of my videos. Today's video is a grocery haul. We went Checkers. We did it a little bit late this time, that's why I have this light here. Normally I use natural light, but anyway, we went to Checkers. We spent 6K like on the dot with this. And there's one thing that's not here that we bought. Actually no, this is everything. The only thing we haven't gotten is chicken breasts. This was not a meat run, but we did get some meat. But we need chicken breasts and we need eggs. But we don't get those at Checkers, that's why we didn't pick them up. But yeah, I'm gonna show you everything that we got. I think we did really good for 6K. So yeah, let me show you what we got. Okay, starting here, my nephew's here, so if you hear noise in the background, it's because he's here. But starting here, we got some potatoes. This is a 1 kg pack of potatoes. And then we got 3 of these 18 pack of toilet paper. 2 of this brand and then 1 of the Checkers brand. We also got the jumbo kitchen towels from Checkers as well, like their brand. It's because those are really hard to find at the moment, like the 2-pack ones. So we got like singles of those, but I'll show you when we get there. First thing we got was back bacon. We got 3 of these. We were supposed to get 4, but we left 1, and that turned out to be more expensive than just getting the 4. So I really wish we had taken that, but anyway. We got broccoli florets, 2 packs of those, and then we got garden mix as well, 2 packs of those. And then underneath that we got these little Cokes. This is a 4-pack of 6 packs. So there's 4 6-packs in here, and they're the tiny Cokes. In the front here we have some cling wrap, and then we got some spices. There's 3 of these. I don't know where the other one is. Oh, here. Hold on. 3 of them. We got Brian Grill. 1 Brian Grill. It's the first time we're trying that. We got garlic and herb, which we absolutely love. So excited to have that again. And then we got pasta spice. I really want some like creamy chicken pasta. Like I'm craving that right now. And then we got this smoky barbecue braai shaker from this brand. We really like their other spices, so we're trying out different ones. We got the stock cubes. This is chili beef flavored. And then we got jungle oats. 1 box of those. I'm talking to the camera. We got a box of oats. This is just jungle oats. It's like it's really easy to make. We got a bottle of extra virgin olive oil. And then we got like a ton of different drinks, like soft drinks. So we have this Pop's lemon flavored one. Then we have regular Pepsi over here. We have 3 Coca-Colas, 1 Stony here at the back. This is ginger beer. And then we have 1 Pop's bubblegum flavor. That one, it's okay. It's really nice, I guess. We have a box of Kellogg's cornflakes back there. That's the biggest box that they had. Again, in the front here, we have a couple of these tomato paste. So we have 3 of them. Yeah. Just little, they didn't have the big ones, so we had to get the little ones. We have 2 packets of butternut cubes. And then we also got some mixed peppers here in the front. We got a ton of soups. I didn't really organize them, so we'll just go through them quickly. Thick white onion. We have tasty chicken. Another tasty chicken. Cream of chicken. Cream of mushroom. Brown onion. Cream of mushroom again, brown onion, cream of chicken, thick white onion, and another cream of chicken. We didn't pick any of them up last month. We kind of missed them, so we just got a couple more than we normally do. We got some cup of soup boxes. So we have 2 lamb and vegetable flavored ones, and then we have a creamy butternut as well. We got this extra hot sriracha sauce with mayo. I'm gonna try that with the recipe that Jungkook showed us. So instead of using bulldog mayo, I'll just use this. but you can just use bulldog sauce and mayo separately, but I'll try it with this. I'm excited to see how that tastes. We got 2 packets of macaroni, and then we got a box of milk. So there's 6 1-liter boxes in there, and I'm trying to rush through this because clearly my nephew is being extremely loud in the background. We got some Maynard's wine duos, and then we also got some Viennas. This is the big pack. In the front here we have some tomatoes, we have some cheese, we got some bananas as well, and then I picked up these country style grillers. So this is what they look like, and I need to make gimbap, but we don't have the ham that they use in their gimbap, and they don't sell it at my Korean supermarket. So I picked these up, and I thought I could like cut them in 4, so like cut them twice, half and half, and then fry them up and then use that. I reckon you could use anything, but I think this is gonna be the closest I'll get to the ham that they use, or rather like duplicating a similar result. We got some golden brown sugar back here, and then we got a box of butter flavored popcorn. We got a small box of curry powder. This is the medium spice one. And then we got some Heinz tomato sauce. It's the only tomato sauce that I personally like, even though I don't eat tomato sauce, but if I ever wanted some, we would have some on hand. Everyone else eats it, I just don't. But just in case I want some, it's the right one. We got some no-lac lactose-free milk, and then behind that we have this Future Life high protein chocolate shake or meal. That's what that looks like. My sister picked that up. Back there, like I said, we have 2 of the Mighty Bigs. Those are the single packets because we couldn't find the 2 like duo packs. Over here we have 4 boxes of tissues. These are facial tissues. We also got these moisture absorbers. These are just dehumidifiers, and they're little balls like that. We're just trying it out, especially in the bathroom. So we picked up a lemon one and a lavender one. In the front here we have 2 trays of these 6-piece drumsticks, and then over here we have some chicken polony and some French like regular polony. Just wanted to have some, not too much on hand though because we don't eat it much. We also got some cream, just one this time because we still have one in the fridge. And then we got garlic and ginger. I think I want to incorporate more ginger into my meals, so we picked up some garlic and ginger instead of just regular ginger. We got some oros. This is the tropical flavor one. A lot of people seem to like this one, so we picked it up again instead of getting the mango. I think we'll do mango again next month. And then lastly for food, we got a big pack of onions. Those are like really huge onions, by the way, like GMO styled. Okay, now moving on to like toiletries and cleaning products. We got this bubble yum gum fragranced foam bath. Bubble yum gum, that's what it's called. It smells really good. It smells really, really good. I think it's for kids. It's got Tom and Jerry on it. But my nephew's the one that uses it, so it's fine. We also got this Mr. Min wood polish. Over here we have 2 of these dry skin repair with oat extract body lotions. This says deep moisture in 72 hours, so we got 2 of them. My mom picked up these Easy Wave hair products. So there's a curl activator and an oil sheen combo. And then over here we have some borax. I think my mom's going to use this for cleaning, so we picked a small container of that up. In the front here we have some pads. We have these Kotex Maxi Protect ones, and then we have the Always Platinum ones. Over here we have these mothballs, so we got 2 of them. They're like marbles. Yeah. Over here we have 4 of these Sunlight fabric softeners. So we have 2 lavender ones and 2 sunshine, I believe. I think It's called Sundew. That's what it's called. Sundew, 2 Sundew, 2 lavender. And then over here we have the liquid detergent. So we have Omo Auto Liquid. And then we have Sunlight. We prefer the Sunlight one. I just like how that smells, but they only had one left, so we just picked up 2 different ones. Back in the front here we have a small Vaseline, and then we got this Body Dock tissue oil cream. My mom really enjoys this, so we picked up another one of those. We got 2 of these Colgate Sensitive Pro Relief toothpastes, and then we got a couple of Protex soap bars. These are the small ones, so they're different scents. So we got the Plus Moisture Lock. This is for sensitive skin. We got Plus Moisture Lock. This is just a regular one. We got 2 deep clean ones, another Plus Moisture Lock, but this is the nourishing one, and then a deep clean charcoal one as well. We also got 3 Dove roll-ons. So we got 2 invisible dries and then 1 regular original one. We have 2 Sunlight dishwashing liquids over here, and then behind that we got a all-purpose cleaner. This is the lemon one, and then we got a Handy Annie. This is the potpourri scented one. We have 3 of these air fresheners from Glade. So we have Blooming Peony and Cherry, and then 1 Relaxing Zen, and then lastly we got a Vanilla and Magnolia. In the front here we have some Gynagard, 1 of those, and then we have 3 of these Protex herbal hand soaps. We really enjoy these, so we picked up 3 different ones. We also got these pocket cleansing wipes. We also picked up this adapter. We needed one for one of the plugs in the house, so we picked that up. We also got this all-purpose cleaner, this pine gel. Over here we have 5 different domestos. So we have 2 pink, 2 white, and 1 purple. Then we have some car cleaning products. We have this wash wax car shampoo, and then we got the Sheen Ultra High Gloss Spray. And then last but not least, we got 2 of these Sunlight Auto washing machine powders. And yeah, that's everything. I'll give you an overview of everything that we got for 6K, including that. So yeah, this is everything. I think we did pretty good. Okay guys, so that is the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and check me out on my Instagram. I post like fairly regularly on my stories. I'm also on Facebook a lot. Actually no, I'm not on Facebook a lot, but whenever I post a new video on here, it gets uploaded on my Facebook page, so you can just like that page so you never miss a video. I'm also on TikTok rarely. I'm on Twitter all the time, but that's a completely different world. But all my socials are always linked in the description box, so you can just check those out. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!